Alright, I've gone for an English beat. England is my city. Big up Nick Crompton. Jake Paul's my dad. Low gang for life.
Crucial was shit. Why did we have to wait 4 months for it? You said you were evolving, but you didn't do bits. You just evolved into the first male with tits.
You had my channel on your shoulders. Your channel shit washed up, you're the oldest. There's 5 other guys you could have went in on. Mistakes were made in the process. How come when everything goes wrong in your life, you stick it on me? Are you upset Simon, Josh and Vic are making more B? Gee, I think you're delusional. Took a break from the channel to confuse them all. In reality you lied, took the wrong side, and now we're sending tickets to your funeral.
First of all, I'm tired of the stupid YouTube rap. I'ma show you how to do this shit, minus all the crap. I'm not the fire, I'm the match. I'm the one to start the shit. I will burn you to the ground and extinguish you with piss.
Only thing you had on me was I got sloppy seconds. But wait a second, didn't you mention 10 bars later there was a girl you banged after Toby that taught you a lesson? It's mad. Another girl that you tricked to your pad. Promising fans, but if they don't bang then you send them away all sad. It's mad. Now on to another. Your best friend is probably your mother. Seen your dad's dick, you make me feel sick. And didn't you shower with your brother?
How much wood can a woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck look like you, bitch? I'ma have fun with the nigga here done. You the woodchuck none. Think you a big man with a shrimp dick, man. I'ma click, click, clack. Little boy trying to get involved. Come on then, let's get involved, you prick. Boss boy now wanna rap. Boss boy now wanna scrap. Boss boy about to get clapped at the end of the verse. You gonna wish you never did that. Wish you never hit back. Cause a little boy gonna feel it when they get it, when they click, 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 clap.
Now let's take a minute to talk about your mother. How the fuck did she make you and your brother? She gave birth to you, then chose to have another? Each brother's more retarded than the other. You're both so stupid, it's just obscene. Your family must have some retarded genes. You've got a girlfriend now, to be fair to you. So tell me, did you sexually harass her too?
That Augustus Gloop's sidekick. I wanna be Nick Crompton, but sucks more dick. He has a girlfriend too? Well played. But if he can get a girl, then anyone can get laid.
Talk about Jay as a master, but he's not the one that I'm after. Tweet about us on live support, but that shit almost killed me with laughter. 2 weeks, 12 vids. Now which one has had the most hits? It's not the one where you sold out JJ. It was a Sidemen diss. Now I think it's time we switch up the scene. Picture Deji Olatunji and a drugged up teen. Now some of your fans might know who I mean if I said that he met her in Bethnal Green. And how many times did you scream help me? Your hairline is fucked, you look like E.T. The last time you almost died like this was the time you crashed your TT.
Chatting shit about Emily. I showed my girlfriend, but where's yours? Only got a leak Keemstar pic. Are you afraid of showing her flaws? Fat joke here, fat joke there. You got the best fat joke of the year. Honestly, I expected better from someone whose 3 EPs clear.
Stupid prick, starting beef with me. You'll regret that. Just like vasectomy.
What?
You're just a shit Chris MD. You need to get off MD. How many girls have you fucked in your life? 1. That's mad.
Yeah, you're leaving the Sidemen, but thankfully you made the other guys. But you didn't make me, so I can stand here on my own 2 feet as I chat shit about you on this old school beat. So let's get started on why your life's peak. Tommy Gunn got 2 mil views in 3 weeks, which means 14 million people didn't click it, cause they already knew that it was gonna be shit. I rate you though, JJ. You've made stacks, but the fact is you've killed more babies than trap.
This beef was between me and you, but you wanted a few more views. Why? I wonder what I could do. Maybe just the rest of the Sidemen too? Notice how no one else has replied. Toby didn't pick a side. The others went for the more relevant bro. I guess you could say bigger fish got fried. Pathetic.
You ain't part of this group. Nah. You ain't Sidemen, you gook. Nah. Deciding when to be a Sideman while you're too busy faking all the packs and then making ranks and then spreading all of that shit.
Did you seduce her? With your rape face downgraded from Shauna, what a fool from grace. And he's trying to hide her from the internet. Why? Cause she's a world renowned sket. You could smell her gonorrhea from a mile away. You should look her up with some vagina spray. Lamborghini. Has anybody seen JJ's Lamborghini? No, he crashed it a year ago. You incompetent fuck, just learn to drive slow.
Oh man.
And usually I'm benevolent, but you were hella bent on getting relevant. So you went and said, cause we're all prevalent. Do you know what that meant? Idiot. Deep this, you're facetious, I'll leave you speechless. I know your secrets, you need Jesus, I know your weakness. Bitch, I'm a genius.
Never made it personal, never made a diss. Lack of relevancy makes you do this. You never moved out and I never moved in. You went and sold your Lambo, do you want the spin? Or you want the spin? Well, you've been spun. Don't get me started on Rice Gum. My boys replied to now 7 months and you lot really think you're in front? You thought I could do it, but guess what? I did it. You ain't gonna know what we got for the second one. I'll see you guys soon.
Shout out everyone reacting to this with views. I would too. Especially you, Deji. I know you're reacting to this right now.
How the fuck did your video cost 4K? All you did was stand and skank in your driveway. And you are clapped. What went wrong? Did you let your mum sit on your face for too long? Literally nobody has bought your clothes because the designs are uglier than your nose. And I know you maybe promised not to say this, but fuck it. Deji has 2 kids.